TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. We have the Dow Industrials up 4, the Nasdaq's down 3, S&Ps are down 2.5. Gold contract is trading up $9 at $11.6370. You got silver up 11 cents at $15.93. Platinum's up 12 at $9.95 an ounce. You got copper up a half a penny at $2.42 a pound. Light sweet crude is backing down. That's down 96 cents, $48.68 a barrel. Bonds, 10-year up 6 ticks, 128.22. 30 up 22 ticks, 157.19. Both the 10 and the 30-year, folks, once again last week have rejected lower price, have lighter volume, going topside once again. Bonds want higher price, lower yield. King dollar just can't handle it. King dollar is down 48 ticks at 94.84. Now what King dollar is doing is this. King dollar is into the downdraft that was created on August 24th. The bottom of that downdraft is 92.50. I expect that's where King dollar is going to make its way down to. We'll see whether it's going to break down at that particular level. Euro is up 12 at 130, and the yen is at 120.06. If we go over and we take a look at the S&Ps, what you have with the S&Ps, if we use the SPY, what you're going to see in the SPY is this. On Friday, SPY got volume of 107 million shares. You're going into 276 million. What you have in your benchmark, folks, is 199.28. Right now, we're at 201.04. You close under 199.28, that's going to send the SPY right back down the other side, going after the 29th of September swing point, which is 186. We look at the Qs, the NDX 100. What the Qs had done on Friday was this. They failed on price and on volume. The Qs did 23 million shares on Friday. That was going into the lows of the last swing high, which had 56 million shares. The Qs have already failed that price point, which is 106.64. That is saying that the Qs want to run down to the lower swing point of the 29th, which is the 98.75. And inside the NDX 100, of course, you have to look at the IBB and Apple. Apple had juice on Friday. The IBB, however, didn't. This morning, the IBB is down 119, and that's with Regeneron up 20 bucks. Bottom line, that's showing that the weakness inside the IBB persists. You go look at Apple, what happened with Apple on Friday. Apple did have some strength on Friday. It had a volume out here of 57 million. Now, what Apple was doing is trying to test the downdraft of the 29th. The high of that downdraft is 113.51. We'll see whether it's going to get into that level. Thus far this morning, it has zero juice. Bonds continue to give you the best signal, the most consistent signal. If we look at the 10-year, what you have with the 10-year is this. 10-year rejected lower price last week, had lighter volume, right back inside the range again. This is a complex ABC structure on the way up. On the 1st of October, it took out a B point, took it out with volume, all of the above, continues to want higher price, lower yield. 30-year, we take a look at the 30-year, what you have with the 30-year, same type of setup in the 30-year. The 30-year is actually stronger out here this morning. And if we go over to the gold market and finish this baby up, what you have inside gold, you have the wide price spread, you have the volume, you have all of the above. Gold right now is up 870. Gold has taken out its swing point from the August 24th, which is 1156. You're 1164. It's going after its swing point from August 24th, which is 1169.80. I expect you're going to probably take that out in the next few days, and gold is going to go after the 1234 level, which is the high that was generated out here on the 18th of August. If you're in the market for either gold coins or silver coins, folks, Everbank has a great deal on those right now. $75 all in on gold. $7 over spot, $75 over spot for gold, $7 over spot for silver, delivered to your house. You can give them a call at 855-750-4051. That's 855-750-4051. Have a great day. Have a safe day. Look forward to speaking right back here, 10 o'clock tomorrow morning.
Today, it's hard to tell if the economy is coming or going. Regardless, I want my money going in the direction I choose. If that's your stance as well, then you want to know how Everbank can help keep your money thriving just the way you want. Is growing your money a priority? Everbank is committed to a yield pledge promise to pay high yields on your checking, money market, and CD balances. Looking to diversify? Everbank ingeniously developed accessible ways to spread your money around the world into foreign currencies and even non-FDIC insured metals. And when it comes to your wealth, they bring a highly experienced and global perspective to help you manage it. Everbank's financial philosophy flies in the face of the status quo. They believe your money's performance should not be determined by today's economic circumstances, but by the drive to rise above them and create opportunities that favor your objectives. If that excites you, like it does me, call 1-855-750-4051 to find out what they can do for you. That's 1-855-750-4051. Call them today. Everbank is a member FDIC and equal housing lender.